HELE Grade 5 Food Preservation. Let's make pickled radish. You will need 500 grams of radish, 1 large onion, 1 cup of water, 1/2 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon whole black pepper, 1/2 cup vinegar, sterilized jar. Step 1. Peel the radish and trim the ends, then cut them into thin strips. I already did mine. Step 2. Put the radish into the jar. Step 3. Combine the water, and then the vinegar. You can do it in any order. Then the sugar. And then the salt. Then mix. You must stir until the sugar is dissolved. Step 4. Add the onion, then the black pepper, then simmer until it boils. Step 5. Pour the mixture into the radish, then leave it to room temperature for 4 hours, then refrigerate it. It should be ready to eat in 2 days.